Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video about HTML5. So today is content about iframes, colors of iframe, and also that we can also enter a web page in iframe, photos, and also iframes HTML attributes, and also playing video using iframe in a web page, and also HTML5 colors. So guys, in here we at the first we type iframe to open the tag of iframe. So in here we can set the borders of iframe and which type we want. So you want type 1 and see what happens. Sorry, yeah, as you see guys. And also we can use the what's it say attributes, yeah, tag of weight and height, also style name, here type name, also type style, background color blue, and also tag white. We wanna 100% and height 100 pixel. Okay, see you guys, this is what you want. And also adding another iframe, copy paste, change the color to metal. So here we need 60% and here 539 pixel. And also another iframe, paste. So here we type gold and okay, 39 pixel, sorry, 39% and 539 pixel. So see what happened. As you see guys, this is what you write and also what you want. And don't forget that you can also insert the image by adding their name 123.jpg. okay, and when just find the folder that book.html is on there, so add an image on that folder, then insert the name of the image, or not this will not accept. As you see guys, this is our image, and also we can insert a video from our computer. Okay, remove them. So working with this. Okay, we don't need any background color. Okay, remove it. So on source, yeah, and there we have the name of our video that's located in our computer, and all the folder of book.html. okay, paste dot nkv. okay, open, yeah, this is our video guys. Motivation change your life. And here is don't open, because it not open our videos that's located in our computer. Just open the videos that's located in YouTube, and at that time we have to type https www.youtube.com. after that make another slash and then type the name of the video. So in here we can also use like this mkv. okay, I just open the videos that we add in here, and also when you click on our iframe it automatically download that video, but we also have it, just download it and you can open and use our video. So guys, another one is about which one, yeah, name scrolling. Okay, scrolling. What's scrolling? So guys, wait a minute. Oh, remove that. This double quotation. Height and weight. Also, don't forget to add a style for our iframe. Style, background color, mutapen, secreted, tag background color, and I think blue is okay. So in here we type the HTML file, for example, assignment article dot HTML. So let's check what happened. Here we go, guys. This is our text, and this is the scroll of the iframe, not the scroll of the page. Okay, and we want that we want that the scroll is not stay in here. This is remove. So what we do in before our frame border, click in here, type scrolling equals to double quotation no. Okay, there we go, guys. There's no any scrolling, and you can also I find 50 pixel. Okay, guys, this is our iframe, and also we can remove the border of that to 0. See, there's not any border, and also yeah, and no one will know that this we had this from another web page to our web page, so they think that we make this, and no one will know because there's no any frame border and also no scrolling border, that they think that this is a frame border. So now one is about no scrolling. Okay, playing videos that you work, and also HTML5 colors like orange, blue, gold, and etc. if you can type from their names. And my video is getting finished. Hope you like my video. If you love press the like button, and if you have a comment, write it in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more of our videos, and also for more our videos like that earlier from another ones. Press the ring button and select it and all. So love you all of you guys, and goodbye.